Hey, I'm Kay, and today I'm gonna show you how to do Hua Cheng makeup cosplay. Luckily, this character has one eye covered, so it will be quite easy. We start with applying foundation to your entire face and blending everything well with Beauty Blender. We can move on to contouring the face, which is the most important element of cosplay makeup because it gives us an opportunity to change facial features. I start by contouring the nose. Using a cool bronzer, I draw lines on both sides of the nose from its lower part. Then, from these lines, I make smooth transitions into the skin color and work on emphasizing the top of the nose. Now we are going to slightly heavier element. We focus on emphasizing the jaw and cheekbones. In this case, we also start from the bottom to ensure a smoother transition. In this makeup, I also decide to contour the forehead, for which purpose I'm applying bronzer to the temples. Hua Cheng is a male character, so contouring the neck is also an important element to create a fake Adam's apple. To tone down the contouring, I also use a light cool highlighter. Then to fix our makeup, I use powder on the whole face and the neck. Next, I'm taking the foundation again and start covering my natural eyebrow color. I use it alternately with powder. We move on to the eye makeup. First, we outline the eyelid with a brown shadow to add depth to it. We can't also forget about lower part of eyelid. So we are taking a black crayon and apply it to the waterline of the eye halfway. And only another half we apply white crayon. I add a red eyeshadow to the outer corner of the eyelid and give it a slightly sharp shape. Next, we deal with the inner corner and apply a white glitter shadow there. Then I'm taking a light brown crayon and slightly outline the lower eyelid to optically increase the size of eye. taking black crayon again and draw sharp shape in inner corner. Next, I'm slightly helping myself with lower eyelid using dark brown eyeshadow. Then, to create contrast, we apply a cream shadow to the center of the eyelid. Now, we will move on to the eyebrows. I'm taking a black eyeshadow and start drawing over them. I'm keeping the lines sharp. Now we can move on to the lip makeup. First, I'm using a red eyeshadow in the inner part. Next, I make smooth transition of this contouring. Then I'm adding some black eyeshadow to contour it better and making transitions. Our makeup is ready. As I mentioned earlier, Hua Cheng has one eye covered, so I'm putting on an eye patch. Now we can wear wig and costume, and we are ready.